Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all good. Today I'm going to cook for a simple recipe that called Moroccan chicken. It's very easy and very less ingredients. So guys, please like the video and share it the video, and please guys subscribe my channel. So guys, let's start. For the Moroccan chicken, 10 pieces of onions I chopped it, and I squeeze 2 lemon, and I use butter here, almost 100 gram of butter here, and salt, cumin powder. I take 2 kilo of chicken. I cut each chicken 8 pieces. So, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grounded black pepper. First of all, I add butter here. I will add lemon juice, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, 3 and 4. Black pepper powder here. Salt, 1 teaspoon I will add it here. Now I mix it this one. It's very simple and less ingredients. Mix it all together and put them in the oven. Very simple. Or you can cook it in a stove top in low flame. I will add little more cumin here. 1 teaspoon more. Now I will add the chicken. Mix it well. Aluminum foil here. Cover it properly so the steam not go outside. So I will put it in the oven. Here I set my temperature 240 degree. I set 240 degrees Celsius. I will cook this one 2 hours, and let's see what happens. Guys, the Moroccan chicken is ready. I keep now 2 hours now already. I will check now first. Done this one. Now I'll transfer to the plate. Or you can serve it as it is with the rice, whatever you want. I hope you like the video. Guys, please like the video and share it with your friends. And guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will meet you in the next video. Until that, take care, be healthy, love you all.